Hello, welcome to So Dramatic, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am a creativity and textile art channel, and I'm not a fitness or wellness channel. However, I've been away for a while due to an unexpected health complication, and I think it's worth discussing, so I'll be talking about it while you watch me repair a thing. This is a purse I bought at the thrift. I've taken 2 of these off already because these are plastic and I want to replace them with glass, and there's a whole bunch of missing beads and I want to restore and fix it up as much as I can. I've got a bunch of beads here for the process, and I'm just going to talk about this while I do the beadwork on this purse. Okay, so recently I had a really bad healthcare emergency. I developed a case of cellulitis in my leg, and it's really scary because there's a risk of losing your foot when you have an infection like that. And I will say it's not a direct cause of my weight, but it is weight adjacent, because we know that being overweight isn't healthy. And I know that there's a section of the internet that's not going to agree with that, but nonetheless, I know that to be true. And I have been working for the last 6 years to get right with my health. I was a 4X, I'm now a 1X. I weigh only about twice what my BMI should be, and I'm working towards it. Now, there are a lot of different things that happened that were horrible. Like I said, I could have lost my foot. I don't think it's too dramatic to say that because that's what I was told. I'm only 52. I don't care about people knowing my age. It's fine. The whole process took over a month to get to where I'm at now. And first, because I'm overweight, I am used to a certain amount of joint pain in my knees and my ankles, and when I'm on my feet work all day, my ankles swell up. So when I started experiencing the first of the pains in my leg, I just thought it was normal stuff, so I ignored it. I ignored it until it became an emergency I couldn't ignore, because icing didn't help and raising my leg didn't help. Every time I switched elevations, like, I screamed and my husband came up to see what was going on. And it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. So we went to emergency, and at first I didn't know what they were talking about. I'd never heard of cellulitis. I didn't know what it was. I looked it up on the internet though, and what I found there was pretty horrific. So, like, you're welcome to look it up if you want, but I'm warning you, I quickly shut all of it off because the things I was seeing, I just couldn't unsee, and I'm really squeamish when it comes to stuff like that, which is why I'm not in healthcare. And so they gave me outpatient IV, and it was looking good, and then it wasn't. I'm not sure what happened, but it went bad, and I needed to be admitted to hospital as an inpatient because it was really bad. I couldn't walk. There was stuff coming out of my leg that was really frightening. And here we are. So I'm back at home now. I'm off outpatient IV, and I've got a quad cane. and I'm learning how, with physiotherapy, to move my body properly again. And I've got lots of exercises to do. And I would say, and that if you've got some kind of weight issue, get it looked at sooner rather than later. It's not a shame thing or anything like that. It's just like, come on, man. You could be in better health, and you deserve to be in better health. We all deserve to be more healthy. And the only person who can fix that is you. The only person who can do anything about it is you. So right now, I'm on a high protein, high veg, low to no carb diet and lifestyle change, because this is going to be more or less a permanent thing. Right now, I'm also trying to avoid starchy vegetables. So sometimes all I have for dinner is a massive steak. And I buy my steaks in the massive big chunk of meat you can get that's like huge like that. And I have a friend who is a chef who showed me how to cut it up into steaks and freeze it. So even though it's a lot to spend at once, it's less overall. So back to the story. So that's where I'm at. I'm eating a little better, and the things that were a choice have now become imperative, because I don't want to lose my foot, which could still happen if it comes back. And I do want to live better. I do want to feel lighter. I do want to be able to dance without my chest hurting because of the bounce. And I am feeling better, and I hope it's going to continue. All right, so for the rest of this video, I will have it in time lapse, and you can watch me do the beadwork on this purse, because I think that's all I have to say about that. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so there's the purse in its final form. Repaired for the most part. It's not perfect, but you know what? It's mine and I like it. One of the interesting things to me about this purse is when I was doing this, I checked this other side. See it? It's lovely, right? It needed 0 repairs. So that's curious. At some point I might put something up in here, but I kind of like it plain. See that? There we go. Yeah, I kind of like that that spot right there, plain. Anyway, I love it. It's gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.